Hey guys! Today we have a quick tour of Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort. We start off in the bright open lobby, including the Swizzle Lounge where you can get those late night drinks. They have a rather large gift shop, got Starbucks coffee, and the stairway leading up to the Galaxy Bowl on the second floor. That leads us to the Bayliner Diner, which is a cafeteria-style food court. Don't let that fool you. This is some of the most impressive resort food I've ever had. Last, we come to Shake's Malt Shop, where you can get a good old-fashioned milkshake. Up on the second level, we have Galaxy Bowl. A little bit further down is the fitness center, which we did not get any video of. You can see the lanes in here are quite extensive. They have the usual shoe rental, and they even have a little bar tucked in the corner here. Stepping outside, you are instantly thrown back into an old 60s, 70s beach town resort. There are a couple different places where you can find fire pits. There are also white sandy beaches with real sand that surround the pool area. The Hideaway Bar and Grill is a great option when you want a quick snack or boat drink. Last but not least, you have that super relaxing lazy river. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and follow us.